What is this afang? Blended afang.
Yeah, we don't know.
Blended editan.
I don't want to go and sit down inside bathroom.
So it will be your first time.
This is the feeling. I'm not gonna lie, are you sure about this thing?
So as someone that loves food so much and does not have a love life yet, I decided to start a show called Dine or Death in 2023. And finally, I'm glad I'm pushing this out because I've been procrastinating so much. And when we did this when we started this, we didn't have a mic. So at some point, it might just have to be voiceover. Okay? So Dine or Death, the first show in Dine or Death is called Could Be Love or Amala. And it's basically just bringing people to probably come and form a bond, could be friendship or relationship, but then in the presence of food. Who are they going to fall in love with food? Or they're going to fall in love with themselves? Let's find out.
For this first episode, we had to go in search for Amala and Ewedu in Akwa State. And
Let me that.
You get physical money. You have physical money.
I have only 100 naira physical money. Let's check now what they have.
So I was actually going out to look for a way to buy Amala and Ewedu in New York State. It's actually hard to see places like that because it's a fang everywhere.
Any place? Maybe the place. Let's ask them.
so at this point, I was already tired. I was looking at this, go without a message. And the first food they mentioned was
Yes, after. To be honest.
Yeah. Inside. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you all. Like right now, we at this particular site we want to buy either the Amala is 200 naira, and we want to go to. Where we're supposed to go to?
Where we're supposed to go to?
Yes,
We'll still go there, shall. But that side is better. The atmosphere, the surroundings.
It's serene. It's serene. No,
So, but we want to buy Amala here, you get,
and then go there and
join it as extra.
no, that's the idea. That
one Amala, that one.
Okay, yeah, it's true. Okay, yesterday, yeah.
So we were finally directed to a place we could get the Amala, and it's owned by a Yoruba woman. So then was to combine the local Amala and Ewedu and then the one from an eatery, just giving them two different feel for this particular show of Could Be Love or Amala. So this is all. So we have gotten the Amala and Ewedu, and off we go to our next destination.
Enjoy it.
Yeah, enjoy one. Look at.
Hopefully you enjoy it. You enjoy it now. Why am I playing? You enjoy me? Chop them. Don't look at the look.
Guy, look that Amala is scaring me, guy. That Amala is scaring me, like scaring the hell out of me right now.
That's how okra is for some people.
Abi, that's true. That's true.
By the time you eat it, just when you close the eye and eat it, imagine, take it as if you're eating a fang. Just close the eye, take it as if you're eating a fang.
Guy, the way you're saying, what kind of tech is that? That is not even to help, guy. Because guy, that thing takes nothing like.
I think it's the looks that really discourage people. Like me, I always say, which kind of thing be this? And at the day I ate it was as if I was eating stew.
Guy, you're bad at encouraging somebody. You cannot encourage somebody to eat something. You're very bad at it, guy.
Be real.
Hello guys, my name is Victoria Omoran.
My name is Divine Effiong and I'm a photographer and a photographer, graphic designer, vector artist and a 3D artist, and
They will actually be the first time I'll be trying out Amala and Ewedu.
Today I am quite, should I say, hesitant or not ready to see my unexpected blind date. But let's see how it goes, man. I have no other things to say. I have no let's just see how it goes. I don't have any game. I don't have any lines. I don't know what I'll say. I am not ready. Like, I am still nervous right now. I don't want to even taste the kind of myself because
Okay, the reason I haven't really eaten Amala and Ewedu will be because of the sight of it, the sight of the Amala and the sight of the Ewedu. Not really the stew and the assorted meat, but the greenish Ewedu and the kind of brownish or whatever the Amala is. The sight of it is just, I mean, I just get turned off with the sight of it.
You don't enjoy it. Maybe they go back.
guy, I don't want to taste that too, but honestly, I like trying out things for myself, new things for myself.
So I got a message from my friend actually, and he asked me if I have actually tested or maybe eaten Amala and Ewedu before. So I told him no, I haven't, and he was like, okay. He has a friend of his that also has not tested Amala and Ewedu before. That he would love if I can give it a try. It's like, okay, sounds fun. So I haven't really met this friend of his, but according to him, it's his first time of also taking Amala and Ewedu.
I just hope she's intellectual though. That's
Okay.
it, basically like. Okay, aside from the normal features
Now, what is the normal features for you?
that you expect from a girl child. God have mercy upon us. Okay, okay, curviness.
You are a bad boy. You are a very bad boy.
You should be curvy, man. You should be curvy. Like, you should not tell me. You should not come and be telling me, God will make a way when there's no hope for you.
I don't know what to expect. Actually, I really don't know what to expect. But well, we'll see. So watch out.
So we arrive at Ibom Tropicana where the date will happen, and this episode is proudly sponsored by the Amala Lounge, or like the best place to eat Amala and Ewedu in this Akawem state. I'm not saying you should go there, but you have to go there. So let's wait for them to meet up at this point. At this point, I don't know why my guy is so excited. He's shy and excited, so they're about to meet at this point for the first time. Let's see how it goes.
So have you had Amala before? Amala and Ewedu.
Today is actually one amazing part of Dine. Just seeing strangers smile, interact, and have a genuine conversation. And this is them before the Mala comes.
Sorry to interrupt. I'm going to give people this stuff for pleasure. So, yes, people already went far deep, feeling the connection and feeling back. I'm going to use them. People are going to fall in love, and it's the thing. So, no, but I love it. Okay, okay, you guys will not repeat. Pleasure. Ladies first. So,
Wait, am I supposed to choose any from the
yes, that's any person.
But I hope we don't have the same question.
I don't know. I don't know what's your question.
Are you supposed to see my question?
Choose your question. Choose your question.
No, don't worry. I'll read it out. I don't want to follow the, so I'll just be random. What is your best food or best soup?
Which Afro woman does not like Afang soup?
That's not an answer.
The question that can lead to an answer.
That's not an answer.
The question that can lead to an answer.
Yeah, I know a lot of Akwa Ibom people that don't like
Okay. Wait. This best food is really confusing me. Should I mention my best food and my best soup? Or should I
mention your best food and your best soup? Yes.
I don't have a best food. I eat anything that comes, but my best soup is Afang. Yeah. But I don't think this Amala will be among it. Because I am scared. Honestly. I don't know. It's weird though. So
I don't think I'm supposed to answer that question too, right?
okay, let me ask you as well. What's your best food or best soup?
Is that what is in your list or you're repeating?
Please, what is on my list? I'm seeing it. Please give me a compliment. What would it be?
Okay, I think it's getting really. But can it be after the whole?
No. What's stopping you from saying it now? What's stopping you from saying it now?
Like, I need time to evaluate. So I'll give you the compliments after the whole stuff. How about that?
Okay. Cool.
Okay. So, are you in a relationship?
Me? No. Honestly. The first time I had my Amala, it was separate. The Amala in the outside.
Wait, is it Amala inside?
It's Amala inside. So you guys were just not like, guy, we brought.
Wait, so I don't understand. But the Amala is not supposed to be inside.
It's supposed to be. This is like how they really did them.
But should spoon them?
I am really scared right now. I am really scared.
No, I have stew. I've seen stew, so I mean,
I used to stew.
the stew is the hope, but this.
I think you can actually. What is this part? Yeah.
Beggar.
Yes, beggars. Maybe they like say I be pro. I don't know anything. How? So this is stew. African stew. Then what is what is this Afang? Branded Afang.
Yeah, we don't know.
So yeah, behold the beautiful Amala and Ewedu by the Amala Lounge. And let's just see how to dive in. Will they eat it? Will they enjoy it? Let's find out.
Yeah, I like this tea already. The thing I'm scared of is this tea.
12 seconds later.
You got a tough man, Adam, oh yeah,
Like I have to never right now. I don't want to see it.
I have enough of I feel like exporter.
So at this point, I had to take them elsewhere because what's a date without a little bit of fun and adventure? So they had to try out different games. She tried out the VR game for the first time.
How about the dragons?
I don't know, you see that one, the minus.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's oh my gosh.
Once a time, put a time. They are still catching up. They're still like just. They're still loving. But at the end of the day, they should not fall in love. Or whichever way, they don't eating the Amala and Ewedu. They love it and I just pray they don't fall in love. So don't you like when you fleeing? How was the Amala for you? Like at the end of the day, Amala and Ewedu.
At the end of the day, I actually enjoyed the Amala, I must say. I mean, maybe because the stew overshadowed the Amala because I was really having that
taste of stew, right?
Yeah. But then the Amala, like I said, wasn't bad.
About
the taste was okay.
So like right now, you can actually try it out anytime.
I won't really walk up to a restaurant and say I want to eat Amala. But then if I'm given Amala to eat, I'll gladly.
who is cooking the amala, you get. But if it's definitely from Amala Lounge, then it's a yes.
Okay. So if I was to choose, like, if it was the person to ask out, I would have.
Seriously,
Yeah.
it was that cool that you'd want to ask her out.
No, she's chill. Even though I don't really know much about her,
But you want to know more.
Yeah.
Tell us about love.
Amala
And Ewedu.
Amala and Ewedu has taken my suspicion away. But for those Akwa Ibomers that have not tried it yet, Amala is good. It's like eating afan, like you said.
Really cool because I mean, I left the house, just here. I had fun with friends, and also it was a fun time actually.
I'm actually glad the first episode of Beloved or Amala of Dine with It is actually a success. I almost gave up on this episode, almost gave up on this show. We shot this episode regardless of not having a microphone, regardless of not having a good camera. And yeah, the second episode is ready, the third episode is ready, and thank you for watching up to this point.
And oh, I almost forgot. Kindly subscribe. Thank you. Drop a comment and how do they say that stuff? Ciao, Abibella. Ciao, like bye, ciao. Yeah, see you in the next one. Thank you.
Don't hurt, speak.